to think that I'm starting a movement. I call it the Redefining Motherhood movement, where I'm helping people evaluate the way they're using the word motherhood to break down gender stereotypes and do good in the world. And something that I don't talk about nearly as much, but I am almost equally as passionate about, the cold start method when baking sourdough bread. I am about to put this cold Dutch oven into my oven that is off, and I'm going to turn it on to 500 degrees, 450 actually, and let it bake for 1 hour. And it is going to produce the most amazing sourdough bread with way less work and energy. And not enough people are talking about the cold start method of sourdough.